About 19 at 10. So let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start! Well, you're looking at you the 7. I'll find a friendly that was a good one. It's happening, it's happening. Wait for it. It's gonna be the big bang. So we got that part of the puzzle together, but the other part on the other side wasn't quite. We're gonna blow, we blow. It's working. You guys need a refund? You guys need a refund? I'm just checking. You need a refund? How much you pay to me? It's not really what we expect, but nonetheless, I don't know what the fire chief is saying, but it's gonna like we're gonna just put up additional things to it. The fire chief will do something different. Wait for it. Take out your phone, whether it's Samsung, whether it's iPhone, whether it's Nokia phone, whether it's whatever phone it is. The fire chief himself is making his way. Look for it, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna happen now. In a matter of seconds. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Welcome to Belair 2024. It's a Campfire. Yeah, Larissa, I wonder if you're getting that. Larissa, you getting this? Yeah. It's gonna get better. Get your phones ready. It's gonna be even more exciting, right? So again, with delay, but nonetheless, we're gonna make this happen. This is a battle.
Yes. Yeah, what happened?
Hey, buddy. So you can take your 4 toes, your 5 toes, your 6 toes, whatever toes. There's gonna be something different inside. Of course, it's the first time we're having this inside this venue. And when you look at this, yeah. Very nice. I like this. Alright, so now we're ready to get even more exciting. We're gonna do a traditional game. We're gonna call on bigger circle that is up to the brown girl in the ring. We're gonna do brown girls in the ring, yeah? Nonetheless, we're here. Guys, we have formed ourselves in a big circle. We want everybody to get involved. We're going to do brown girls in the ring, take your photos, brown girls and boys in the ring. Yeah, we're coming in now. Yeah, man, that's a good shot right there, right? Yeah, man, these people have been engineered by some special folks out of Jamaica. They flew in last week and put it together. Yeah, man.
Them better blue can light fire.
The second one is in the is that correct? What's up, Isaac? Give me some gravity. You do physics?
No.
Once I'm done, I want you to find me to mix the legs. Mix the legs. After this, basic or basic down. That's the next song I want you to play. Alright, I need 2 more persons here. What's Alan? They tell me it was you that was blocking the road. Is that true? No, it's not true. No, I know it's you. Alright, so the soccer gun is small, so we go up. Right. Yeah. Can I get some other folks involved in this? Right. Oh, you know the song? Can I get a brown girl or a brown boy? Can I get one person? Alright. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What can he do, Panty Mellow, little fellow? What can he do, Panty Mellow, little fellow? So we can do it. We can do it too. No, you don't know that one? But my computer thing. You don't? Two. Yeah, two. Nice. Two. That's it. Come. 2, 5. Right. All right. Anybody? Two. Right. Anybody have a belt?
Yeah, man.
The people say this. Anybody? Two. Rena, let's give us some prizes now. We have things in the body to give. Give them children, man. Let us just share them out. 2. Quick. Right. All right. So we good. Nice. All from the soccer. From the soccer. All right. Let me check. All you know, London Bridge is broken now. Well, you know that. I would know that. You would know that, but they would know that. Nice. I'll make sure DJ put his setup. Yeah. Your bill and all kind of thing just arrived, The Patrick, they got bunny a little thing there by with a big body equipment. Right. Open up. Now, you have the belt? If I use my belt, my pants will follow. Give me a belt, please. Give me a belt. Quick. Yeah. Give me a belt. I think we have enough prizes for everybody here today. All right. Bartender, send out all the prizes. Let's give everybody in the circle something. We are wasting time. Let me just do that. Yeah, I think we have enough for everybody. All right. So, all in all, I lost my belt. All right, so this is Kel Maturin. We're going to do I lost my belt on Saturday night. And when he said drop it, Mr. Dropper, you go drop it behind somebody. If you get the belt and you catch him before you get back to your position, you get some licks. That is a legal arrangement. It's a binding arrangement in the court. Isn't that, Miss Morin? If you catch him before you get back to your position, you could beat him mercilessly. You have to beat him. You have to get back. All right, so we're good. Once you understand the arrangement, you put it pass.
I'll find something.
You get licks. Boom. Boom, I remember in 2017. Boom. You go? Yeah. Wow. Mr. Ford, welcome to Belair. Lisa, I know you come. Did you announce your arrival? You touch something like NASA. Oh my goodness. And you bring Campfire with you too? Right, so ready? All right, from the circle. Quick. All right, bartender, send out all the prizes. We're giving all the children line up something. Everybody getting something. We're not wasting time. Because we have some local artists.
Bring it on to We have a solid bar inside. Blazing kitchen. Later on we are fabulous inside alongside Putty. But we know we don't need season, eh? Somehow we like to rhyme all your cousins. But I ain't walking here tonight. They